What you doing, Bo?
Look at Paw Paw. Look at Paw Paw. Look at Paw Paw. What's he got? Here.
That's my
All right. Settle down, 2-1. That's what I told Christy. I said, this is kind of neutral territory. 4. Right, I mean, we're on the ball. The only reason for both teams. Right. Yeah, we'll do cheer, then, you know, we'll mean hug.
He's back there playing with Peyton.
Okay. All right, 9, let's see a hit. Good job. Still got that football, Christy?
Still has it. That's our baseball toy.
Yeah.
Because it can get washed and stuff.
Settle down. Take your time. Settle down.
It wouldn't. I could hear him. He's loud enough. I knew he was somewhere in that room.
You got it, bro. Straight to the end.
All right, Ruff. Need one here, buddy. Settle down.
My nephew plays for FJ Raven, so when they play each other, we have to sit like neutral.
Yep.
What
Take this foolish ball and I catch it.
You do that.
Okay.
There you go.
Good job, buddy.
That's right.
Good catch, Carl. Good throw, Greg.
Don't be off. Make sure to go get it, okay?
There we go. Yes. Nice running.
On the board.
Good job, good. All right. yourself in the room, baby. Stay back on it. Stay back. Easy, easy, easy. All right, Ron, let's go. Back to the middle. Let's go, Stick.
Slow down. You're rushing.
Watch, 11.
Hey, get down. Down in your
Deep
legs.
breath,
Back.
Russ. You got it.
What number?
15. He's on the bench. Get in front.
Right. Right. That play right there, you need to go. Make a move behind second.
Good pitch, Rock.
All right, look, we want on you.
You got it. Good eye, lad. Oh, good job. He's just trying to get it stuck in the tree.
Ooh, look out.
Bo, you could have caught that. What?
They got the other ball from the first one.
Go get it, Jenna.
Hey, where's the first ball they got hit out?
Tainted now. Gone.
Nice job, boys. Nice job. Good job.
Nobody better.
I got a little table space for you if you want.
Step off.
Nah.
Take your time.
I want some, but the doctor has forbade me.
You got it, Russ. It's your game.
First row, good line.
Sad. So sad.
On the cover.
Good job.
Yes, up.
I know.
Good job.
Good out. Trust the coach.
2 outs. We just need one more.
There you go.
Way underneath.
Stop trying to pick it.
Way
too.
safe.
Let
What
it
I
go.
got going right now. Intermittent fasting. 3 days and 2 days.
Nobody better.
Oh yeah.
Good eye, good
Good
eye.
eye.
Yeah.
Get here, corner. Do it easy.
All right, Russ. You got it. Take you a breath, babe.
Blue.
You got it, Russ. Come out. Hey, heads up.
Good court.
There you go, Dub.
Corner. Just back out for a second. Too far now. One on third.
Coming.
Easy, you know. Hey, they don't matter. They don't matter right now. Get one more strike.
Hey, y'all pick this
Easy,
No,
right?
not going.
2-2, blow.
Take it easy, Rock. You got it.
Yeah. Play wide. Make it throw you.
I need Yeah, it's in my pocket. Like my pocket item. Hey, boy. Alright, pick your name.
Strike, folks.
Strike him out.
Sure, that's
You good? Make it be in there.
This is the only time he's ever hurt.
Get under. Yeah.
Get your bat, bro.
Now batting. Number 4, Grant Lee.
Come on over the top, buddy.
Right here is Brantley.
Here you go.
Good catch.
Outside, bud.
All right, Brandon, got to catch up to it. Strikes on it.
You got it, bud.
Keep an eye on it.
Good job, attaboy.
Good job, Brantley.
Now batting.
Nice hit.
Number 21, Rucker Johnson.
Let's go, Rock. Bring her around.
Davis backing up, Christian backing up. Guys, please, first or second, one out.
Let's go, Rock.
Settle down,
Keep it up,
2-1.
Barnes,
Just
look
do it.
good. Keep it up, Barnes.
Make it throw you, Rock.
Nice pitch. Good job.
Ian, squeeze it.
How you know where you got what it looks like now?
Davis, back up.
There she is.
Go.
Eat it.
Watch the ball.
Hey, if I say eat it,
Wanna bring your chair?
don't throw it, okay?
I'll let it all the way, Rock. You got it.
We're going to get down, bud. Keep an eye on it, Rock.
I know. Put that down. Put that down.
You're the man, Bo.
No idea. He just said.
Thomas. Good pitch. Good.
Now batting. Number 41,
'cause it was like all like the first 4 bags they were dead.
I was in Minnesota making something there.
Coming down on you! Coming down!
I said, oh, that's Kelly. What's that? And Kelly was right beside me. I said, oh, look, it's Kelly. And I tried to wave.
I got the car this morning and my gas light came on. I got it. Just barely on. But now I gotta go.
Step out. Hey, Goose lead is start to suit. Okay? Hey, up a little high, right? Drive, William.
Leave it up there.
Hey, look at, hey, back out, leave, back out. Smile, high foot, hit.
Nice hit.
It's all right, four.
Hey, who's on deck? Christian, other side, go.
Him and Peyton's over there sitting on the bleacher. See ya.
Callum, good eye. Back out every time.
Huh?
Hold up.
Go, Callum.
Well, I think they're on that. Are they on that side? On the dugout? No, maybe not.
Callum, good look. Hey, when he goes flat, load up on that back leg.
Reach there.
Good eye, Callum.
You have to babysit it.
All right, Cal's got to be perfect.
Callum.
How about give you a dime?
Brought a drink.
All right, Wallace, let's do this.
Hit it, Callum.
Keep it in that spot. Yes, sir! Attaboy!
Back out. Look at him. Look out, 2 strikes. Hit it. Hey, big hit. Drive it. Drive it big.
Yeah.
Hurry up, 1-8.
Let's go. Let's go. All part of the game right here.
Hey!
Stay in there, kiddo.
Stay in there, buddy. Stay in there. Be aggressive, Christian. Christian. Hey, stay in there. Enough.
That's right.
Hey, look. Enough. Stay in there. All right? Keep those feet like cement. Scoot up.
Nobody better, bud.
All right.
Stick with it, batter. You got this.
Hit your knee.
Hey, good job.
It's got to be perfect.
Watch third.
Good, Callum.
All right, Russ, I have these now. Let's go.
Just stuff's on the pond. Do it, dude.
All right, bud. You got this, buddy.
Blue.
Stay in there.
Yeah.
Stay off until he gets the ball back, okay? Hey, you look good out there. You look good.
I remember Easton didn't play now.
All right. Now get the whole thing. You know what you're doing.
JJ. Good cut.
That was our try.
Down just a little bit.
Come on, Rook. You ready, J-Dog?
Go, Jay Davis there, hit it.
Yeah. Hold on.
Good pitch. No, they don't play today.
All right, in the neighborhood, smack it.
They only play one time.
Come on now.
Walk back. Walk.
Camden starts playoffs.
See it hit now.
Camden, varsity.
Come on down.
All right, take your base, JJ.
Drop the back, kid.
Right.
All right, Jack. Come on, son. Yeah.
It's kind of like
Mommy,
the
look, see? That. So, that. Then when you check. When I just open, that was inside of
oh, all right, don't forget.
Hey,
Watch that ball.
bye.
See you later, dude.
Swing that back, kid. You gotta see what you're eating.
There you go. There you go. Time that throw.
All right.
Good eye, Jack, man. Good eye.
Jack, good eye. Stay in there, okay? Stay in there.
That's okay, buddy.
Hey, Jack.
Nice swing, baby.
Good cut.
Nice swing.
Now hit it. Now hit it.
Just hit in there a little longer.
All the way in, boo. Watch that ball.
Good eye, good eye.
Nice eye, nice eye.
Hit it, Jack.
To the middle.
Okay.
Watch out, Jack. Watch out.
Okay.
All right, Ryan, you're trying too hard, buddy. Just throw it to the mid.
31 blue. Jackson. There, hit it. Got it there, though, okay?
Gotta be perfect.
Man, baby.
Oh, what's up?
No, it well.
Got 2 strikes.
All right, Jack. It's in the neighborhood, man.
Strike. There, hit it. You got to swing fast and hard.
To the mid, Ryan.
Commit, baby. Stop.
Come on down here.
Good hustle.
All right.
Good job, Jack. Way to watch.
You gotta run.
Jackson. Really good at that. Really good at that. Go, Alexander.
I would have nailed that one.
Yeah.
Because it was slow and
Yeah, that
high. Nailed that second. You ready to run, Jack?
Take your time, bullet.
Jackson, lock the man in front of you, okay?
Better, Bob. Go for one.
Stop, Liam. That wall back there, Liam. Don't bite.
Alexander, read that ball, buddy. Read that ball.
Close to the plate, Ryan. Go in.
Nice try for one.
Good pitch, Ryan.
Hey, Alexander. Hey, let's go. Get back. Get back. Hey, hit it. Hit it, 41.
Contact, kid.
Drive it.
Contact.
Drive it.
To the mid.
There you go. Run.
Yeah.
Way to make contact, kid.
Alexander, there you go, man. Way to hit it, dude. Great play, man. Great play. Great play. Andrew, we didn't Andrew, throw that back. Throw that back. Andrew, throw that back.
Okay.
Right, good. Right.
Come on, bring him in, Potter.
One batting.
Let's go, Drew.
Listen up a little bit up there, man. 210. Listen up. Yeah.
Yeah. Stay in front of it, Mom. All right.
Go 6. Really good pitch. Repeat.
The ball back there, buddy.
On the back up. On the back up. Andrew.
Good.
All right, Miles, come on, bud.
Saturday is
Get here, bud. Keep your eye on it. You all right?
No strikes. Finish it right now.
Bro. Sorry, brother. Get him next time.
all right.
Infield, close out.
I don't know where to hit more.
Side.
Here, bud. Got a big step.
Down the ball, Trent. Ready, glove out. Glove out.
Good eye.
I'll go up here. Hey, come out here. Go strike right now.
Go, Trent. All you do. Good eye.
Where's the chain?
Battle right here, buddy.
What else you got?
Deep breath. No strike.
There you go. Good. Go down.
Now batting, number 22. Ray.
As long as he's giving away free stuff from the concession stand, you got friends. Wide. Way to wide.
Got it.
Barnes, tell that pitch again.
Go, Greg. Wait for a good one, bud.
You better be digging.
Barnes, you got the bag.
Good swing.
Barnes, that was your best pitch today.
Eyes on it all the way, Greg. There you go. Yeah, bud.
David, back those up, okay?
Good eye.
Good eye, Greg.
Attaboy, Greg.
Make sure it's there. He said he was going home.
No, I just found him. That's why I put those bright shorts on him. So I could see
Yep, there you go.
Smart, Greg. Okay, you got this.
Right there, let it go.
Go 6.
Good eye. Good job. All right, let's go, Bubba. All right, Wes, you got it.
Come on, Weston.
On it, all the way.
David, back up. David, back up. David, back up.
Good eye. Good eye, Dub.
Look good.
Make it throw you a good one.
David, you get it. Go first.
Good eye, good eye. Attaboy.
Only good one.
All right, you ready? All right, you ready? Put your head in.
No, it's totally fine.
Bullfrogs over there. Back it up, Captain.
Stay on the bag. Get up, make it be there.
Good eye. Good eye. Take your base. Take your base. Take your base. Good job. No.
Bag down, Katie. Rest for a minute. Watch. Watch.
You got it. Stay in there.
Watch that ball. You're all on the ball. Swing hard if it's a strike. You got this, bud.
Good pitch.
All right.
Not going.
That's three, Katie.
That's all right.
Thursday. Davis, back up.
They can throw you now.
Give them the regular.
You got it.
Just put them in the outside.
Come over the top hard.
All right, good cut.
No runner.
Be smart, Asher.
Really good. Really good. Keep it up.
Take your base.
Oh, Michael, you got it, bud.
Go, Michael.
Hey, you ready? You got to be ready, man. Batter's box. Good eye, good eye.
Attaboy, Michael.
Wait on the good one.
Right there. Hey, higher targets. Right there.
Good eye.
Watch out! Michael, no! No, Michael, go!
kid didn't get confused.
Mommy, show me yeah. So I will pick it. Pick it, pick it. Yeah.
Let's see.
Alright, well sit down. Let's do this.
Because he ran into the Good job, sit.
Mommy, you have mommy, but not
Right, 11. Good pitching. Come on, now dial it in. Let's do it. Can I borrow 450? Oh no. You're a good kid.
All right, Liam.
Hold on, Blue.
Bo, sit up.
Good eye. Good miss. Good Lord. Wait on him. Good eye, good eye.
You can go now. That's fun, buddy. First base.
Come on, Bo. You need to swap that.
All right, Black, let's be ready. Come on. They get ready to get a
Bo, get off of there now.
Hey. There you go. Hey, right now. You got it? You got it?
There you go. Good job. Brantley.
Take you through you.
Come on, 1-1.
Keep an eye on it. Make it be perfect, bud.
Be perfect.
There you go.
Really good pitch.
Eyes all the way, Brandon. You got it. Keep your eye on it all the way to the bat, bud.
All right, come on, one more. Get us out of this.
Bo, stop.
Hey, get close.
Get out.
Good job.
Yeah.
5 round race.
Got 6, guys.
Thank God.
Come on, right. Hey, look. Keep your head down. Keep your head down.
Go, Brad.
David, back of the box. Yeah, there you go. Back of the box.
Go, Dave.
Drive it. Really good cut.
Good cut, David. A little quicker.
Your game, Ryan.
Like my little deer. For a little tiny little brass girl, that thing's bad.
Back out. Back out.
Take your time, Ryan. Yeah, Ryan. Settle down, buddy.
Drive it 3.
That works.
Somebody,
41.
where are you?
You're all over.
Go 3. Hit it right now.
10 minutes.
Back out.
He spilled that last half of it.
Big leg, buddy.
Yeah, go get your chip.
Calm down.
It's not tight enough, Leo.
It's got sugar in it.
Sometimes just don't get the need it. I live without it.
All right, let's get one by him. Let's go.
Let me break that tab off so it's a little funky in the nose. Watch out, you drop that tree.
Come on.
That will hit you.
Good at bat. Good at bat.
I'll see a hit.
Hey, what are you doing?
Yeah!
Nice hit, buddy. Nice hit.
Gotta take it slower, baby. Stay in there. Get your balance. We're slow, baby. Let's go. Strike it, no matter how fast you can think.
Way to be ready, boys.
Good job. Good job.
We've only been telling them that for 5 years now.
All right, Ryan, you in the bit, baby. You in the bit. Slow it down, baby. Come on. Go back to the fifth. Ryan, settle down.
This is going to be perfect. Start making money.
You want to go with it? There we go.
Come on, Black.
Let me ready.
Let's go.
All right now.
Go sit down, Matt. Go sit down if you're going to eat. Matt. Go sit down and eat.
Get some, let's go, get some.
Feeling. So we did a cafe for them. Yeah. So that was good. I told
Let's go, Miles. Go, Miles.
maybe you'll like it.
You got it, dude.
You got it. Keep your head in.
Really good.
Good job. Good job.
Deep breath. Deep breath. Strike him out right here.
That's all we have. Come back over here. Let's get your fingers on the feet. Over here.
Trent Baker.
Yeah.
They played hard, but they got that one in there.
It just hurt.
Hey, that's all, man.
I think we play y'all again
Good game.
next
Good
week.
game. Good game.
I think it's that makeup game.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, because Bo plays, I think, at the same time.
Okay.
Chip, right?
It's your chip, right? Stop, get out. There's another team coming right behind us. We gotta play. 1 minute.